Hello, parents and boys and girls. We have several new students in our class, and I want to take a moment to show you once again how to get to specials. This is definitely the question that I get 2 or 3 times, maybe 3 or 4 times a week. How to get to specials? What specials do we have today? What week are we on? I'm going to show you where you can always know exactly what we're doing and how to get there. First of all, each morning I start out the day showing a screen like this one. This is the one for this Friday, and we're excited to celebrate 2 birthdays on Friday. You can see that I'm showing you that this is week 3, and we will be going to PE. Now, PE is asynchronous for this Friday. I have a little key up here that shows you that A means asynchronous, and that means they will do it independently. They're assignments, and I will show you where to find them, and that an L would represent a live meeting. Again, I'll show you how to find that. So this Friday, we would have asynchronous PE, but there are some other ways. If your child does not make it to our morning meeting and you're a couple minutes late, I'm going to show you another place, actually a couple places, where you can look and always know exactly where to go, what specials we have for that day. When your child logs in to their dashboard, this is the first thing they're going to see. They're going to see our classes. They may be in a different order. I'm actually logged in as a student at the moment. That's the only reason I can see these other courses. I am not attached to the music class, the PE class, the STEM class, or the art class. I'm not their teacher, so I cannot help you on anything other than show you how to get there. And so that's what I'm going to show you now. So when the kids log in, they're going to click on, first of all, our Happy Camper homeroom page, and it'll come up to our home page that is loading. They're going to come up to our home page, and I'm going to show you a larger version of this so it's easier for you to see. I have this board set up with helpful hints. For one thing, we have all of our resources over here in these baskets. These are anchor charts, things to go directly with our lessons. But when you're looking for specials specifically, you can click here on the word specials, or you can click this basket for specials. Now, this does not take you to their special course. What it does take you to is a chart where you can see what day of the week we have a particular special, and you can look over here to find out what week we're on. We're on week 13 through 17 of September, which is week 3, and this would be Friday, so PE asynchronous. Now, how do I get there? I'm going to show you how to get to your specials, but before I do, I want to show you at the bottom of the screen here, I have links to your specials teachers' emails. If you have questions about specials, please click here because I can't help you otherwise. So now I'm going to show you how your child gets to specials. We now know what they have, but how do they get there? Your child would click out of homeroom and go back to the dashboard. They're going to PE, so they're going to click on their PE class, which is right here. And then there were 2 options there. If it were a live meeting, you would click on the Zoom class, but it's not a live meeting. It is an asynchronous meeting. So you could click on modules, which he has down here. This is where the lessons are. So you would open them up, and there are the lessons for the week right there. I'm not going to click this because this is a child's account, but you would click there and follow the directions as you see them. Now, if it was another class, again, you would still be clicking on the dashboard and click on one of the other classes. If it is a Zoom class, a live meeting, then you want to make sure your child is clicking on it on time to log in, because the teachers, once they get their classes going, I can tell you it's disruptive when kids come in late. So they may not let the child in if they are late. So make sure your child clicks on it on time and you log in to that class. So in review, If you want to know where specials are, first of all, show up on time to the morning meeting at 8 o'clock. I show them every day what we have for specials. And then after morning meeting, they click out, they come to this dashboard, and they will click on the dashboard for the specials class that they are assigned to. I hope you find this helpful. Again, the most popular question I get regularly. I cannot help you with what's going on in those classes. I've just shown you how to get there. Have a great afternoon.